Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can change the region in your iPhone. So I may face that problem that when you're changing the region in your iPhone and they cannot change your region. So you simply just have to just follow some steps to do that. Simply just have to just go to your settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you just go to the main interface of your settings. Before going to any changes, simply just have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. So simply just have to just do that and simply just have to just go to general section and just go to the software update. Just tap on that and have to make sure that you're just using the updated version of your iOS. If you don't update the latest version of your iOS, just update the latest version of your iOS in your iPhone. After update, you just have to just go back and simply just have to just scroll down and just find language and region section. Just tap on that and see there's a multiple options and the option is that region. Just tap on that. After just tap on that and to just select the country where you want to change the region. Simply just right now I'm just currently in Pakistan, so I'm going to select a Pakistan. So if you want to change a region from any one country, simply just select that and just change the country region if your iPhone. So that's the video. Make sure you just follow some steps to change the region in your iPhone. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.